Do you often find yourself wishing you could share Instagram stories directly from your computer or PC? Hi, I'm Jenny from RN Help Guide, and in this tutorial, I'll walk you through the simple steps to post Instagram stories from your PC or Mac. So let's get started. First, go to the browser and type instagram.com. Then sign in the account you want to post Instagram story from. Now right-click on the background of the website. From the drop-down menu, click on Inspect. Click on the mobile device icon at the top of the Inspect menu. Now go to the dimensions and select the video you want to view Instagram as. Now refresh the website. Now you have the option to post a story. There are limited tools to edit the story. Thank you for watching RN Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming video.